Today on Willies TV, your host, Real Deal Neal, is dropping another diamond two-wheel drive Covert edition in that popular space white color that you and I both love. Let's go. So this is a space white color that I love, and I know you love as well. It reminds me of that avalanche gray color combo that I love so much on the Focus RS's, the Gen 2 Raptors, and Shelby GT 350s. Love this color. It's slightly different. It has a little bit more of a glossy look to it, but it's still that flat grayish white combo. You can tell the white platinum there is a definite distinct contrast between the space white. So a good comparison there. Next up, I know many of you love a four-wheel drive truck, but many of you also don't need a four-wheel drive truck. A great example here in a two-wheel drive Covert edition, leveled on 34.5. We took the platform of the F-150 XLT two-wheel drive, did a 2-inch level kit up front. We've also found, y'all, that the spacer kit is the way to go on the two-wheel drive. So we did the Ready Lift 2-inch spacer kit up front on your top hat there. We also have tried the Roush coilover, and you just have to modify that coilover in the front too much for our liking on a two-wheel drive truck, and it's really hard to get it down to where it's not front side heavy on the coilover. So if you're going to level a two-wheel drive truck, hopefully right here at Akins and Willies, use the 2-inch spacer kit. It's a true money setup, nice and leveled with the least evasive route possible. Tell me you don't love the Fuel Maverick. The Fuel Maverick, you know, is one of my top 3 wheels of all time. In 22 by 9.5, we're plus 20 on the offset, 285, 55, 22 Nitto Terragrappler G2, a great all-terrain tire that'll give you 60,000 miles, you rotate and balance properly, and a tire that's not as aggressive as like the hybrid Ridge Grappler, one that's gonna look good, have that street-inspired vibe, but also have some off-road capability if needed, but just a great looking overall Covert, nice and clean and sleek, leveled on 34.5. The gloss black and milled was definitely the way to go on the wheel choice. And coming around, we also incorporated rear wheel well liners out back and a nice undercover Ultraflex bed cover, along with Akins liner, guaranteed for life. And mild to wild scale, while we're here, you know, it's sticking out maybe a half an inch, so it's got a great overall appeal to it. It's not too much, not overdone, looking ever so clean. And we love and support our military. Don't get it twisted. We want to keep this country the way it was intended to be, with God first. And what an incredible interior also, y'all. The 12-inch touchscreen on the 302A still gets lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control as seen there, blind spot monitor, just great amenities and creature comforts even in the XLT. Has the 360 camera, which I want to show you now. I love the startup on the big 12-inch, and you have the big 8-inch on your center stack also on this package. And I just wanted to showcase today the camera system. So there is your 360 in combination with your rear backup camera. You hit this tab here, you can show just your front camera angle. Again, back to the 360 view, and in the 360 view you can hit the plus there and actually zoom in and hone in on those certain angles. A great overall feature. I've got the door open, door closed, so there's a better picture of that. Then we can do a 180 front for if you're pulling outside of a parking lot, grocery store, etc. And then the bed camera also, which is a great addition. We got Bo checking out the wheel well liners and everything around the vehicle. But just a very intuitive, responsive. There's a rear camera angle too. So got all of your angles covered. So when you're driving this vehicle and you hit something, you're literally going to get given crap to a lot, because you really literally have no excuse with the 360 camera to have any kind of slow speed maneuverable accidents. So for Trent, he's going to love this one. He's about to be here now, and as I mentioned earlier, there's Bo Sarles. He was the salesman that took care of this. So reach out to Bo for all of your vehicle needs. He's been in the car industry for a long time and just a great guy to deal with throughout the whole process. And let me know what you think about the Space White. He took care of this one for Trent, and hopefully we'll get a good reaction of him when he gets here. Man, what a great guy. Another happy customer right here at Akins and Willies. That's what it's all about, y'all. Thanks so much. Truly a family and a great camaraderie-based dealership here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. You got to come check us out, y'all. We got it going on. You know, my life is the automotive industry along with everything else that I'm passionate about. Find what you're passionate about and run with it. Life is too short to not have fun and enjoy what you do for a living. That's all I got for today. As always, stay safe, stay positive, and keep watching Real Deal right here at Akins. Peace, y'all.